Hello everybody, it is Chris. So, what I want to do today is show you guys how to make Raycast combat. So, this is pretty simple, honestly. It's simple, but it requires a little bit of knowledge of look vectors and C-frames, and also vector threes and animations, basically. But you don't really need good animations to do it. It's just it looks better when you have them. But so let's start this off first with adding a dummy into the workspace. So let's go here. Now let's do this. Let's edit a little bit and always on. Display type subject viewer. There we go. Now the health. The health is there. You can see the health. That's that. That's all we have to do. So basically what you want to do is you want to go first. You want to go into starter pack. Go combat. Insert a local script. Go combat local. Then define these variables. Oh wait. First, after you make this, go into replicated storage, insert a remote event, then name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Fist Combat. So now, go local Fist. Normally I would do Fist Combat remote, but I'm doing, wow, I am so bad at English. Anyways, I do remote. So game.replicated storage.fist combat. Okay? Now local combo equals 0. I'll tell you why in a minute. Now local player equals game.players.local player. And now what I do, for some reason, whenever I add just like player.character, so like this, whenever I add local char equals, whenever I add this, it always gives me an error. So basically, I put this, so repeats this line, waits until this is initialized. So then local char equals player.character below it. That's that. A local hum equals char wait for child humanoid. Basically, this waits for the humanoid to be added to the character, which is this. So now I have this thing that a guy gave to me. It is very useful. It is actually really useful for animations. Some guy gave it to me. I'll list the Discord where I got it in the description. All credits to him. He is a really good dude. It's really chill. And so now you add a folder in replicated storage. Name it modules or whatever you really want. Now paste this into here. I'll put this link in the description. I'll put the link in the description. It'll be in a Google Drive or some shit. I don't know. Now we do. One sec. Let me pull up my reference. Okay, there we go. Now you do local anim handler or whatever you want. Now require. Basically, requiring an animation handler is basically like No, not requiring an animation handler. I'm sorry. Requiring something. This is how you get a module script to be able to work. So you need to require it. So like this script requires it to be loaded. And basically, you go game, replicated storage, modules, animation handler. Now you can access everything inside of it. And now you do anim handler dot load animations player. Okay, now this loads all the animations inside of a folder we are going to add. So let's go folder. Now let's go assets. Now another folder. animations. Now, I am going to copy and paste my animation inside of these. You can name them whatever you want, but you need to, how you insert an animation is animation, name it whatever you want. I normally press F2 to rename. You could do it here, or you could just click on it and wait. But you upload an animation to Roblox. I'm sure you know how to do that if you're on this video. And then paste the animation ID inside of the animation. And that's that. So now what you want to do is you want to go local UIS equals game, get service, user and, oh, fuck. I always make that mistake. User input service. So basically the user input service is a service that you use to, get input. So now you go, oh wait, one sec, one more thing. Local clicked equals false. Now you go uis.inputBegan connect function. Now this basically you get if input began, so like if you press key, you connect it to this function, and now you put the parameters in. So key, then GPE. Now key is the key that you press, and then GPE is like if you're typing. I name it GPE, any people name it is typing or chat or whatever. But what I do is I do this. If GPE, then return end. So if you're typing in chat, this will stop completely and nothing below this will run. So if key.keycode equals enum.keycode. Oh wait, my bad. User input type key.user input type equals enum.user input type. Now mouse button 1 and clicked equals false. So basically, what you do is you check if you clicked mouse button 1, and you check if you click. So basically, this is like a true or false statement. So now you set clicked equals true. That's that. Now, what I do is I do if char : find first child. Basically, it just finds it without throwing an error. Combat CD, then return. It's the same thing as up here, but if this is inside of the character. So I'll explain that in a minute. Now, combo equals 1. Okay. Now let's print the combo. Now we will see that. One sec. We also need to add one more thing. So delay. I'm going to put 0.5 since my animations are quite fast. Now if clicked equals true, then clicked equals false. Okay. This delays everything. So if once this parameter is filled, equals true, delay if it equals true, false. Now that's that. Now what we do is we check. Okay, every time you click. Oh wait a minute. Ah yes, that's my mistake. It's when you load the animations, you don't put a dot, you put a colon. Now try it. There we go. And now, once you click, it goes up. Okay, we're gonna make it so it doesn't go past 5. So 5 combos. I also want to add this as security, avatar, R6. I prefer R6 because it looks better in my opinion. But yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do if combo equals 1, then anim handler dot play animation. Now the animation name. So everything inside of this folder right here, all the animations, you just play the animation name. So, punch 1. Now, if combo equals 1, it will play punch 1. That's what it'll do. So, see, played punch 1. But it won't play anything else. Because we don't have any other animations to play for conditions that are met. So, now we do else if combo equals 2, then anim handler dot play animation punch 2. Now we're going to add all of them. So play animation kick 1. Else if combo equals 4, then anim handler dot play animation kick 2. Now, this is where it gets a little confusing, just a tiny bit. So combo equals 5, then anim handler dot play animation kick 3. But now, what we do is we do local x equals instance.new. I normally insert bool value, it doesn't really matter. But char x.name equals combat cd. And now, oh my bad, not equals. Now, like I said here, just like with GPE, it'll stop the script. This top line, it will stop this from running completely until this is out of character. So, now, what we do is we do delay again. Now you can honestly do whatever you want. I'm going to do 3. Function. Now what you do is do combo equals 0 x colon destroy. So now what will happen is you will play the animations and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it doesn't go anymore. And now it waits 3 seconds until you're able to punch again. Or at least it should. Fuck. 1 second. One sec. I mean, does it destroy? Okay. Doesn't seem like it's destroying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Delayed. So, wait. Why won't it? Oh, wait. Pretty sure it's this. Because we had it above here. I'm pretty sure that may be why, but I don't know. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's wait for it to print delayed. There we go. That's my mistake. We had to put it here because it was being clicked to true. And so it was being true, but since it doesn't run anything past this, it would never set itself to false. That's my mistake. So now you just copy paste that or cut it, put it here, or just type it out, delete it, whatever you want. Now this is the fun part, because now you actually